Hi everyone, my name is Natasha Tuskovich. I put out new videos every week about art and fashion, and today we're going to be talking about a really cool styling hack. Basically, this uses points to tally everything in your outfit and come to a total of 6 to 8 points, and then you know your outfit has enough stuff and not too much. Basically, items either get a 1 or a 2 depending on how complicated they are, and it works out. If you have less than 6 points, you can add more things. If you have more than 8 points, you should take some off. So it's a really simple trick just to make sure that when you leave the house, you've got everything set. So give it a watch, leave a like and a subscribe if you learned something. Let me know in a comment if you're gonna try this technique out yourself. Hi everyone. Today we're gonna be going through a neat little trick. It's called 8-point styling. So basically, you start with your outfit and you count each item you're wearing and add it up. You want to make a total of 6 to 8 points. So I'll go through a whole bunch of different outfits, kind of show you how different items work, what might be a 2 point, what might be a 1 point, and how to make your outfits go together. So today, this outfit we're going to start with is a pretty simple one. We've got 1 point for the shoes, 2 points for the pants, 1 point for the shirt, and 1 point for the necklace. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You'd want to add a little bit more if you're under 6 points. So for me, I'd add 2.67, this purse with the bold style on it. That's going to add it up to 7. That's a nice number. If you're going outside, this video is going to be a winter video. I'll do a spring summer video in about 6 months, but for now we'll do fall winter fashion today. If you're going outside, we'll add a coat and I'll show you what that looks like instead. So if you have a scarf, this scarf's really neat because it kind of works as both. If it's all black, you can count it as a 1 point scarf. If you got the bright gold pattern on it, count that as a 2 points. So for right now, we'll count that, put that on, and we'll put a nice coat on. This is a nice simple black coat. It's got a bit of a stylistic collar on it, but it's not that crazy. So we'll count it as a 1. So if you're doing the coat and the scarf, now you can't see the shirt anymore, so it's not really part of your outfit. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you could easily make this 5, 6, and then 7, 8 with the purse, and you've got a full 8-point outfit. All right, I'm gonna switch out to a different one. Here it is with a coat. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then I added some big gold earrings because I was only at 6. So this is an example of a 2-point shirt. Altogether, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now to bring it up to 8, I'm going to show you a bunch of different options. You can add some sunglasses. You could add a hat. If it was getting cold, you could add a nice big scarf. This one's a 2 points because it has the big bold pattern and it's such a large piece. You put the jacket back on. You have a bit more leeway now because the shirt's gone. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and again, you can add your purse back in, 6, 7. You're probably good to go. Might want to add your sunglasses or your hat on top. Now for a more formal look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And add a purse. 8. All right, some fancy shoes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can leave it like that, or 7 and 8. With a coat, very similar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, now for formal wear, this is where it can be really easy to overdo it. So this really makes it simple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now otherwise you might be tempted, oh, should I add more rings? Should I add a necklace? You don't need it. Now I love this outfit. It's one of my favorites in 2020, but it's very easy to overload. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I really want to add like big gold earrings or a necklace. You don't need it. I put on these tiny studs which can count as a pass, and that's it. You don't need anything else. Keeps it simple. Now a dress is always considered a 2, whether it's simple or fancy. 2 because it covers the bottom and the top, and nothing can ever be more than a 2. So for this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This one is fun. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6. 7, 8. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, hopefully that was helpful. I find it a really useful little hack, just a little trick to kind of make things simpler. I always find, especially on formal outings, I always try to put way too much jewelry on, like earrings, necklace, bracelet, rings. It's just too much, and this really makes it simple so you know exactly when to stop. All right, I'll see you guys next week. Bye now.
So I went through a bunch of different outfits at different levels of formal and casual. Hopefully there was something that'll help you out with your styling needs. If you'd like to get access to the 8-point styling cheat sheet that I'm going to be releasing, make sure you sign up to my mailing list on my website. There'll be a link down below. Bye now.